Hey guys, and welcome to another awesome giveaway. As always, the winner gets to choose whatever they want from the item shop as long as it's giftable. So no matter what this winner chooses, you guys can choose whatever you would like. If you would like a chance to win, just make sure to watch this video for the 3 steps. Alright, so let's get started with the gifting. Now right here, what Fungus told me that he wants is the battle pass. Now, if you guys have never gifted the battle pass before, if you don't have it yourself, you could go to item shop and gift it from there. However, if you do have it, then just go into the second tab, battle pass. Right here you can buy levels, and beside buying levels it says gift battle pass. By the way, levels are not giftable, so you can just choose give battle pass because that's what he wants. We're gonna click on his name, then we're gonna hold A, and you cannot use V-Bucks, by the way. This is real money. We're gonna just buy that, confirm our details, and we're done. It's sending out the gift. So once again, no V-Bucks. This actually uses money, so my V-Bucks are intact at this point. Sending out gift. Now I can double check that if he got it, because I will not be able to send it again because it's gonna say that he owns it. So right now I can see the gift has been sent. Now what he can do if he didn't get it right away, he just change his banner, and that's it. It's gonna refresh everything. Let's just go back. We're just gonna double check. Yeah, it says owned, so I cannot send it out again to him because he owns the battle pass now. Let's just go back, tap on his name. It says season level 44, which confirms that he does in fact have the battle pass right now. There we go, and there's your battle pass skin. So congratulations for winning. But anyways, if you guys would like a chance to win, make sure to follow these 3 simple steps. Number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're gonna see support a creator. So you're just gonna go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind, it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.